Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. Today we are going to be making a wall clock decor. As you can see, I have already taken my clock apart. And you're going to need a clock for this project. You're going to need some napkin rings, which I got from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need a glue gun, glue sticks. You're going to need some diamond wrap and diamonds of your choice if you so desire to put some on. I am showing you this because this is quite a thick or wide frame around the clock. And I am going to section it off, and I'll show you here in a bit where I section it off to put my napkin rings. I'll start out putting my napkin rings on this line. I section it in half. Later on in the video, you'll see where I change my mind and put them in a different fashion. Don't forget to share this video. Leave me a comment down below. If you like these types of videos, give me a thumbs up if you particularly like this one. And please share my videos with your friends, your families, groups. It will be appreciated. So now I've started to put them around the clock base. As you can see, I'm almost done with the first row, and that's the portion that I have. I sectioned off. I just cut the frame in half by sectioning it off, and then I put the napkin rings on there, and I'm almost done with the first row. You'll see me starting on the second row. This plastic is a little thick, so it takes a little bit of time for the glue to adhere to it. And you'll see now I'm getting ready to start my second row. And here we are. I've taken it all apart and started another design, and I'm almost done with this design. It was just easier for me to do it this way. I think it looks better this way, even though the frame or the base of the clock is really wide. It still turned out, I think, beautifully. Later on in the video, you're going to hear a lot of scrubbing or snoring. That's my fur baby. Please forgive him. It's past his bedtime. Once I'm done, I'm going to take this and spray paint it. It's silver, but my clock base is yellow. Once I do that and let the paint dry, I'll be back to finish the project. And here, I'm all finished. It turned out really nice without the spray paint on it. Just removing some of those glue strings. Okay, I'm back with my clock. My paint is dry. I also sealed my paint. And I've put my clock back together. And right now I am just putting some gemstones on here. And these are the Dollar Tree little diamonds. One with the little pointed ends. I'm just putting one in between every, or where the rings connect. Okay, and here's a completed product. I'm going to get some of these glue strings off. Let's lift it so you can see it. Actually, you see the clock ticking there. I thank you for joining me for this DIY. If you have enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Please share this video. Leave me a comment down below to let me know that you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more of these kinds of videos, please comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for joining me. I'll see you at my next DIY.